Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are fine. We'll continue our first chapter today, and in this video we'll learn about the multiplication and division. So let's start. Okay, so first we will learn about multiplication by powers of tens. Powers of tens means by 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000 and so on. So whenever to multiply a number with powers of 10, place zeros on the right and move the number towards the left. Whenever we are multiplying a number with 10, 100 or 1000, then what we do is we place zeros on the right side of that number and the number is moved towards the left. For example, I have a number here 3, 4, 6, 5, 1, 2. Okay, and we have to multiply it with 100. So in 100 there are two zeros. So in answer we will place two zeros on the right side of this number like this. Two zeros comes to the right side and move number towards the left. It means that each digit is shifted towards the left side. For example, these two here the 2 was at units place or ones place, but in the final answer in this product, now the 2 is at hundreds place. Similarly, 1 is at thousands place, but here the 1 was at tens place. So the number is moved towards the left and we place zeros to the right side of that number. And let's consider one more example. Here I have another number 148305 and I'm multiplying this number with 10. So there will come one zero on the right side of this number because there is only one zero in 10. So here, so this is how we do multiplication with powers of 10. Okay, now let's move on to the next topic. Okay, so now we will do multiplication by two-digit number. We have to multiply this number by 2, 3. So let's start. Okay, so we write the number here 532615 and we have to multiply with 23, so we'll write 23 here to the right side. Okay, now when we are doing multiplication in this way, this number is called multiplicand, the number which we are multiplying, and we are multiplying with 23, so this is called multiplier, and this is called multiplicand, and the final answer we get after multiplying these two is called product. Okay, these are the terms you should remember. Okay, now let's start multiplication. Okay, this is a two-step multiplication because we are multiplying by a two-digit number. Okay, so in the first step we will only multiply with this 3. Okay, because here are two digits, so this is a two-step multiplication. You will just ignore this number 2 and we will only multiply with 3 in the first step. So let's start. 5 3s are 15, 5 here and 1 here, 3 1s are 3 and plus 1 4, then 6 3s are 18, 1 will go here, 3 2s are 6 7, 3 3s are 9 and 5 3s are 15. So in the first step what we did, we multiplied 3 with 5, 3 with 1, 3 with 6, 3 with 2, then 3 with 3 and 5. So we just multiplied this whole number with only the first digit at one's place, which is 3. Now In the next step, put cross here, a multiply sign. Now we will ignore this 3 because we have multiplied with this one. I erase this. Wait. 3. Okay, now we will multiply with this 2. This 2. Okay, let's start. 5 2s are 10. 0 and 1 goes here. 2 1s are 2 and plus carry 3. 6 2s are 12. 1 here. 2 2s are 4 and plus 1 5. 3 2s are 6 and 5 2s are 10. So now the 2 steps are complete. In this step, what we did, we multiplied this whole number with only 2. We ignored this 3. Okay, now our final step is we will just add these two lines. 5, 4 plus 0, 4, 8 plus 3, 11, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9 plus 1, 10 plus 5, 15, it's 12, 2 and 1. So this is our final answer, which is called product. Okay, this is called multiplicand, multiplier, and the final answer is called product. So this is how we do a multiplication by a 2-digit number. Now we will do multiplication by a 3-digit number. Okay, now we are multiplying by a 3-digit number. So just like we did before, we will write number here 42108 and the multiplier here. Okay, now here are 3 digits in multiplier, so it will be done in 3 steps. In first step, we will just consider this 4. 4 3s are 12, 8 4s are 32 and plus 1 33. Then here 3, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8 and 4 4s are 16. Okay, for next step, now we will consider this 5. 5 3s are 15. 1 will go here. 8 5s are 40 and plus 1 41. 4 will go here. 4, 5, 10 and 21. For the next step, now we will put 2 cross here and now we will consider only 2. 3 2s are 6, 8 2s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. And our final step is to add these 3 lines. 2, 8, 10, 15, again 15, then 9, 6 and 10. So this is the final answer, which is called product. Okay, so now let's move on to our next topic. Okay, now we will learn about the division. To divide a number with powers of 10. Okay, it means when we divide a number by 10, 100 or 1000, we remove zeros and move the number towards the right side. Okay, when we do multiplication, we add zeros to the right side, but when we are doing division, then we remove zeros from the right side. Okay, let's consider an example. For example, I have a number here 17840 and it is divided by 10. So there is only one zero in 10, so we will remove this 0. So the final answer will be 17842. Because the 0 is removed from the right side, so the number is also shifted towards the right step. We removed 1 0, so each digit is shifted only one step to the right. Like here 2 was at tens place, but here 2 was at tens place, but here the 2 is at unit place. So this is how we do division by powers of 10. Similarly, when we divide a number with 100, we will remove 2 zeros from the right side. When we divide a number by 1000, we remove 3 zeros from the right side. Okay, now let's move to the next topic. Okay, now we will do division by a 3-digit number. Okay, so now we have to divide this number by a 3-digit, which is 381. So we will write the number which we have to divide inside 48375 9. Okay, so and 381 we will write here because we are dividing with 381. Okay, so the number which is written inside means which we have to divide is called dividend. This number is called dividend, and the one we are dividing with, this number is called divisor. The answer which we will write here is called quotient. Okay, so let's start. Okay, this is a 3-digit number 381, so we will consider these 3 digits first. 483 is greater than 381, so we will divide 381. Ones are 381, because if we do it with 2, then it will be greater than 483. So let's see the remainder. 3 minus 1 2, 8 minus 8 0, and 4 minus 3 1. Okay, so now 102 is smaller than 381, so we will bring one number down, which is 7. Okay, now it has become 1027, so we will have to see that 381, if we do it with 2, let's check it. 381 multiplied by 2, it will be 760, which is very small than 1000. So let's do it with 3. 381 with 3, 843. No, it will be 11. 1143. So this is greater. It means that we will have to do it with 2. Okay, so 381 2s are 762. Okay, so what do we get in remainder? 265. Okay, so it is smaller than 381, so let's bring 5 here. Now it has become 2655. Okay, now we will have to again see that 381. Let's do it with, I think we should do it with 5. Let's check it out. It 5s are 40, 19. No, it is smaller, so let's do it with 6. It's 6 ones are 6, 48, 218, 228, 6. Yes, it's fine. So let's do it with 6. 2, 2, 8, 6. And what do we get in remainder? We get 10 minus 6, 9, 6, 3, 369. Okay. Now we will multiply 381 with 9. 381 multiplied by, okay, we'll bring 9 here. We should do it with 9. 9 8s are 72. So it will be 34. Yes, it's close to 3699. So let's do it with 9. 3, 4, 2, 9. Okay, what do we get in remainder? I will write remainder here. it will be 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 2 7, and 6 minus 3 is 6 minus 4 is 2. So it is 270. Now the 270 is smaller than this number 381, so we'll stop our division here because all the numbers are finished here. We cannot bring a number down here. So our answer is, which is called quotient, 1269. So this is our answer, which is called quotient, and our remainder is 270. So this is how we divide a number by 3 digits. I hope the concept is clear now, because you have already done division in your previous classes, so it was just a revision. And if you have any question, then you can contact on school's contact number. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.